Today's brief video is going to show you how to use the Bookshare web reader for your textbooks and novels. First, you start off by being in the Google Chrome internet browser. Next, you'll want to go to www.bookshare.org. Once the Bookshare website loads, you'll want to go to the login button at the top right of your screen. Here, you will use the username and password you were given to log into the website. Once you've entered your username and password, you'll hit the sign in button. This will bring you to your specific Bookshare account. When your Bookshare account loads, you'll want to click on My Reading Lists. This will bring you to the reading list you've been assigned. Go down to the reading list option and click on your name to open your specific reading list. Here will be all the books and novels that you'll need. Select the one you would like to read and hit the Read Now button. If it's the first time you're opening a book, it may take a few moments to load depending on the size of the book. Here it brings you to the last chapter you've opened in your book. To change the chapter or go to a specific page, you'll want to click up on the book icon, which is the table of contents, and you'll go over to the Go To Page option drop-down menu, and you can select the page that you need to go to. Say your teacher has you doing some reading on page 40. You'll scroll down to page 40, select page 40, and then it automatically takes you to the page that you've requested. To have the Bookshare program read to you, you'll go up to the top speech bubble, which is also your play button. You'll click the play button.
Scale and ratios. A ratio compares two numbers by division. For example,
To pause, you'll want to press back on the same button you did to press play. If you've noticed, my Bookshare program defaulted to a Dutch accent. If you would like to change that, you go up to the settings wheel, which is next to the play button to the right. You click on that. Here you can change font size, text and background color. You can also then make your speech rate faster or slower, and you can also change the voice. I would prefer it to be the Chrome OS US English, which is a normal English accent. Once you've made the setting changes you would like, make sure you hit the Save button. And we're going to press the play button again to hear if it changed our accent to the one we selected.
The ratio compares two numbers by division. For example, the scale.
And we press the pause button again. And if you noticed, it did change it to the accent we selected. And if you also took note, as it reads, it highlights so that you can follow along. It does take a few seconds for the read feature to start, so just be patient while it does that. So that is the end of today's brief video to show you how to use the Bookshare web reader for your textbooks and novels.